Welcome, Conscious Co-Creators. I'm so happy you made it here. My name is Dawn, and I have been a practicing evolutionary astrologer for over 30 years now. Myself and other astrologers, we can pull up a birth chart. We can tell you a lot about yourself, your highest path, how do you get there, and kind of what you came here to do. But what if I were to tell you that we could actually listen to your chart? We could hear the sound that you first heard when you were born, the sound that you should be resonating with. Well, these gongs are tuned to the exact resonance, the exact sound of the planets. When you play them, you can awaken that part of you through the tone or resonance of the gong and the planet. So technically, we could do this. You want to hear? You want to meet the sun? Here it is. This is the sun. Listen. You just feel that right here in your heart, in your core. So, pretty cool, right? So hit the like and subscribe buttons so we can find each other later. I think we're on to something. Let me know what you think.